Here are some essential items to consider bringing on a trip to Disneyland. 1. Comfortable shoes. Disneyland involves a lot of walking and standing, so make sure to wear comfortable shoes or sneakers. 2. Backpack or bag. Bring a small backpack or bag to carry essentials like sunscreen, water bottles, snacks, and a camera. 3. Sun protection. Bring sunglasses, a hat, and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. 4. Phone charger. You'll likely be using your phone a lot for taking photos, checking wait times, and making reservations, so bring a portable charger or extra phone battery. 5. Disney-themed gear. Add some magic to your visit by bringing Disney-themed gear like Mickey ears, t-shirts, or pins to wear or trade with other visitors. Remember to pack according to your personal needs and preferences. It's always a good idea to bring a refillable water bottle and some snacks to save money and stay hydrated and energized throughout the day.